A lot of firms are looking at ways to attract talent. We at Ingenuity say, why not hire a remote worker? Well, we know it's not that simple. You have policies, technology issues, and how do you even know they're working if they're not in the office? Here are a few thoughts, tips, and tricks from all of us at Ingenuity, where we have enjoyed flexible schedules and remote work options since 2005.
From an owner perspective, it's important that new hires are in the office for a period of time so they can learn about the firm's culture and build trust amongst people that will be assigning them work. At Ingenuity, it's a minimum of 3 months before new team members can actually work remotely.
Before I joined Ingenuity, I was a freelance writer. Altogether, I have worked from home since 1998. My first home computer was one of those big, beautiful iMacs that took up half my desk. My best tip for working remotely is dedicated focus time. I'm a morning person, so I block off my schedule to do big thinking and difficult writing in the morning. You may be a night owl, so talk to your boss about focus time in the afternoon and evening. Do easier tasks or phone calls during the morning hours.
To Christine's point about dedicated focus time, you can also plan dedicated unfocused time. Plan for breaks to eat meals and do chores around the house. Yes, I'm an advocate for working chores into your day because that sense of accomplishment drives your momentum.
Get up at the usual time. Dress like you're going to the office. Don't ever work in your PJs. Keep your home office organized and clean.
Have a clearly defined workspace that isn't your kitchen table. Preferably, this space has a door, and a window is a nice bonus too. Let your internal team know when you're not available. One of the benefits of a flexible workplace is a midday run or early afternoon doctor's appointment. Mark your calendar if you're unavailable so your team knows what to expect.
The only tip I have, as I'm a focused achiever, is to plan to work remotely. Be sure you have what you need to work remotely, or you're able to access it off the firm's server. I have forgotten things before, like written notes, and then of course I can't work on what I plan, which is not a good thing.
Another tip, email is great, but try to see people sometimes or you may forget to brush your hair, speak, and make eye contact. Pick up the phone instead of sending an email. Schedule video conferencing, try to attend team outings, go to volunteer events, and go along on client visits. All of these are great ways to connect with people and build real relationships, and also wear fun boots.
There's really give and take with flexibility. Scheduling an appointment during typical work hours means I'll be making up the hours elsewhere during the week. I may also take a call very early or very late in the day, depending on which time zone my client's in, to accommodate their schedules. After realizing how easy it is to work 24/7 when you have a flexible workplace, I became a huge fan of boundaries. If it's after 5 or if it's indicated on my calendar that I'm unavailable, I'm unavailable. If it's that important, they'll call, but it can usually wait.
Get into a rhythm of working from home. Go out for that cup of coffee before work, just like you would be going into the office.
Get up and stretch. When you're working at home, it's easy to forget to move. At the office, you may run to the restroom or have a water cooler chat with a coworker. At home, you might not see or speak to a person for a day or two.